Hello? Hey, what are you up to? Ugh, not much. Ugh. Shut up. It's not that bad. Ew. Whatever. What, you don't think you can burp louder? That's true, I can. See, I told you. Whatever, it's not nasty. It is not. Katrina! See, I told you. I can talk and burp at the same time. Whatever, dude. Silly me. Yeah. Yeah, I just got back from the gym not too long ago. I just have to get some things done for school. No, I'm not gonna. Whatever. Good stuff. Good stuff. Ow. Whatever. Don't make me laugh. It makes me hurt. There's one I have to burp already. Ugh. Fuck, now it stopped. Anyways, so what are you gonna do tonight? Whatever, now I can't stop. Since I started burping, I can't stop burping. It's not like I'm doing it on purpose. Does it bother you that much? I'm sorry. Jackie. Whatever. You know what, Katrina, I don't like your attitude. You're just mad because you can't burp. Of course you'd want to be able to burp. It's fun. It's a whole nother talent. See? Okay, let me call you right back, okay? Alright, bye. Okay, sorry. I just had to check something on my phone. Anyways. So what are you gonna do tonight? I won't be doing this tonight, don't worry. Whatever. Stop picking on me. Man. I got like a big one stuck in there, now I can't get it out. That's only like half of it. There's a little bit more. There. There we go. Oh man. Oh, fuck. Now it's starting to hurt. The other night I had the same problem. I think it's because I drank this Coke Zero. I think it has like a lot of gas in it or something. Because like my stomach was already hurting. Anyways, my stomach was already hurting from dinner. And then I went upstairs and was doing my homework and everything, and it started hurting even more and more. And then I was drinking all this Coke Zero to try to make it feel better, you know? And then I just couldn't stop burping. It was bad. It was really bad. Like big burps. I should have called you then. Why do I still keep drinking Coke Zero? Because it tastes good. Duh. Whatever. There we go. Yeah. Okay, hang on 1 second. I have another call from you, okay? Hello? Hello? Oh, hey, what's up? Ugh, sorry. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do tonight. No, my stomach's just kind of hurting. I was messing with Katrina and burping, and now it won't stop, so. Why, do you think it's bad? I like doing it though, it's fun. And it bothers her a lot, so. Okay, but hey, I have her on the line, so I'll call you back, okay? Alright, bye. Hey, I'm back. Whatever. Anyways, yeah, so, what was I saying? Oh yeah, about tonight. I don't know where we're gonna go, though. Do you have any plans? Alright, Katrina, I'm trying to... Okay. I'll talk to you later. Bye. She's like the burping.